sound. I'ma keep on running. I'm never gonna come back down. 'Cause if we never stop, tell me how they gonna get to us. Yeah, we can climb the rocks, see the bottom through a cloud of dust. Take me to the top, I wanna live up on the mountain. Take me to the top, no I won't stop. So take me to...
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Skid, this is Luis. Present yourself on tune.
Hi, I'm in the army.
Okay, so today we're gonna be installing mods finally. After me talking about it, we're gonna install MSD Coil packs. Let me show them to you. These little badass. We'll be putting spark plugs too. I went with these NGK, and we're also gonna install the PUG, which is the new Pentastar upgrade. You can see for better air inside the engine. And we got our gaskets, which you do need to buy if you're gonna install this. So right now we're gonna start. Hey, why did you open yours? Actually, we're not gonna work on this one as of right now. Maybe in the future, I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna work on that one right now. The little baby V6. What?
Some twins.
Some twins. Maybe in the future, some twins. But not right now. So we're gonna start by taking off the air intake. And since I already have a video up, go check it out. It's a little bit complicated at first because we didn't know anything, but this is our second time taking it off, so we're gonna skip through this, and right now we're gonna come back into the upper manifold. See you in a bit. We just took off the tube because this does not get in the way. Throttle body's gonna come up with the upper, and I think the only thing we're gonna take off is the oil catch can from above here. So let's take that off. That's good enough. And it's off. Just make sure. I'm gonna put it right up here. That's good. I'm gonna have to unplug the throttle body.
Oh, that works out. So that's it to go.
The only thing left is to take off this little tube right here. I was actually moving the whole fucking engine. Twist it around. And it's coming off. Boop. So we got everything disconnected already. We're gonna start unbolting everything. This is not on the way. And let's start doing the hard part. We have the other tools over there, so we're good.
It should be just thrown around.
Everything's thrown around, bro. On the 10.
You want this one? Yes, you do want this one.
It disappeared. Got it. I'm gonna take off this bolt over here.
Oh shit, my phone's on.
And the upper manifold is off, finally. Just keep in mind, guys, this is our first time taking off the whole engine off. Woo. Right now we'll clean this baby up, and this is the part we're gonna be changing. Yeah, here goes nothing. Yep, gas came out. Let's take off this everything quickly. let's disconnect the coil packs. Wait, before anything, just make sure to save these, 'cause these are the gaskets for the fuel injectors. And the other one's right there. That's one. Sorry, sir, if it's gonna splash on you. There we go. There's 3 and 3 since it's only a V6. Woo! As y'all can see, these gaskets are already worn out. Just get new ones, since right now we're gonna take off the whole manifold off. I'm just gonna leave them there. Okay, let's go with the second reel. 2, and that's 3. That's 1, and yeah, good job, sir. This one's the first one I got. That was the second one. Okay, so we're just gonna clean up a little bit the engine bay. And these are the coil packs that we're gonna change, and the spark plugs.
Si, senor.
Okay, let's start with the last hardest
Can I
thing.
take this off? Can I take this off?
No.
I already took mine off.
Well, that's you. That's on you.
Oh,
Sir.
sorry, though.
That's on you, not me. No. What's wrong with you, boy?
I want to open this engine up and not put it back together. Put this side on that side and that side on this side.
Why?
Because it's your car.
So, just keep an eye on me, sir. It's going up.
Sir. Oh, look at that beauty.
Look at it. It's all dirty.
From inside to out.
Yeah. To inside throughout. Clean it.
What the fuck are you doing?
Almost fucked up. Almost fucked up. You don't think I should
Can I
clean?
cut this off and put it on the bottom like any other fucking Dodge? Oh, can I disconnect that one under?
Nope.
You don't need those.
I need everything. We're gonna cover them up.
I'm really tired of being patient. Hey, if you won't give it to me, I'ma
Okay.
take it. Take it. If you won't give it to me, I'ma take it. Take it. If you won't give it to me, I'ma take it.
Hey, what's up, guys? So it's the next day. We finished up last night. Let me show you all how everything turned out. So yeah, we finished everything last night. We double checked everything. I actually didn't record because I was running out of daylight, and me being a noob, I forgot to charge more batteries. So yeah, everything's back together. The only thing I forgot to do is zip tie this vacuum hose, which goes right here and here and right there. Other than that, everything's fine. Everything's working perfectly. Yeah, so the only thing that we did is everything to the opposite way. We tightened everything down to its specs. Just need to take off these zip ties, put on new ones. Right here, we're gonna need these pliers. So I'm actually gonna leave the torque specs in the description if y'all actually need them. The only torque specs that I did was obviously the lower PUG, the PUG to the motor, the upper to the lower, and the fuel rails. Other than that, everything and tied it. But yeah, I checked all the hoses, everything was fine. I'm just gonna zip tie this vacuum hose and we're done. and that should be good. Just cut off the excess. So I just cut off the ends of every zip tie. Everything's put in place, and I think we're good. The new MSD coil packs are installed. New spark plugs are installed. PUG is installed. Upper fuel rails. So yeah. If y'all actually need any help or anything, let me know. You know, and if I did something wrong, correct me down in the comments. I'm down to learn even more too. If I effed up on something, well, I effed up on something, but so yeah. Like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I guess I'll see you guys later. Peace.